Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy. With millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. To replace a door gasket on your double wall oven, open the appropriate door and remove the old gasket by detaching the retaining clips from the slots in the frame. You're now ready to install the new door gasket. Starting at the bottom, snap each retaining clip into its respective slot. Once installed, tuck the stapled end of the gasket into the opposite end. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.